Hello everybody, today I'm going to be taking you guys around this 1998 Mitsubishi Canter Guts fire truck. This one's got full-time four-wheel drive, and it's even equipped with a power liftgate from ShinMaywa. This one's a 5-speed manual. It is powered by the naturally aspirated 4M40 chain-driven diesel engine, very reliable engine. And this one is coming to us with about 99.3 thousand kilometers on it, or about 62,000 miles. So a little bit higher mileage than some of our other fire truck, but still pretty low mileage for the age of the truck. This one's, we've also lifted by a couple inches, as well as putting new all-terrain tires on it. So this is ready to be the ultimate little overlanding rig if you want something super unique for it. It does also have a 1.5 ton payload capacity, meaning you can put a whole lot of stuff in the back of this to transform it into the ultimate overlanding rig. Climbing inside this Canter here, as you can see, nice clean door seals all the way around. Just shows how good the fire department that previously housed this Canter took care of it. This was a one-owner truck, so it served with one fire department its whole life in Japan. Like I said, it has about 99.3 thousand kilometers on there, about 62,000 miles. And you do even have a little bit of vertical steering adjustment. If you push that little tab over, you can push the steering wheel up or down to whatever position is most comfortable for you. It does have fog lights here, which do work, and it does have AC as well, which does work very well. Blows nice and cold, definitely nice to have on a hot summer day. Now this is the control panel for what would be the lights, and unfortunately the wires leading to the actual lights have been snipped, but it shouldn't be too hard to hook them back up if you do want to use this as like a little show truck and have the light capabilities still intact. It is a 5-speed manual with a dogleg design, meaning first is left and down instead of left and up. Down here you do have your master switch for the power liftgate there, which I will show you guys here in just a second. Now taking a look onto the passenger side, again, nice clean door seals all the way around, no rust anywhere to be seen, and the seats are in fantastic condition. Now, this is a cab over truck that does have a tilting bed, which if you want to open it up, you gotta reach down in here, pull this, and then you want to pull this lever out, like so. And then there is another little lever down here, which you can pull, and then that'll allow you to bring the cab up. I do need both hands for this, so give me just a second. And just like that, the cab is tilted up, giving you full unobstructed access to the 4M40 naturally aspirated mechanical diesel. It is a very reliable engine. It does have a timing chain, a lot more reliable than a timing belt, a lot less maintenance overall, just very little moving parts in this engine to fail. Everything is all nice and reliable. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start up this Canter now. I'll also give it a sec for the gold plugs there. Just like that, starts up. Doesn't really crank too long. Everything does work very nicely. Throttle is nice and responsive. Horn does work, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and turn all of the lights on, show you guys that those all work. With these Canters, to turn the hazards on, interestingly enough, you gotta pull that up towards you. There isn't just like a little switch right here or somewhere on the center console here. It's just a little pull for on the wiper stock, as if you were to typically use your windshield washer fluid. On this one, instead, that is a button, and the hazards are obviously on the actual stock. Let's go ahead and step out, take a look at the lights. As you can see, all of them work. Headlights, turn signals and the fog lights here up front all work as they should. And if we come around to the back, it is the same story back here. Taillights, turn signals, all that are all working back here as well. So now I'm going to show you guys the actual powered liftgate here. Undo those couple little latches, and then you can pull it down. And to actually use it, you want to, of course, as I mentioned before, make sure that master switch down here is flipped to on. It'll have a little light there. And then come around here, little buttons right here to bring it down all the way to the floor. And then obviously you hit the up button, it'll come right back up nice and quick. So if you or anyone else you know need an ultra reliable off-road ready fire truck, or just truck in general with a canopy on it, head on over to our Shoreline location located at 16017 Aurora Ave N North in Shoreline, Washington. This is where the truck is currently located, and it's where we have a good amount of our normal other trucks and cars, all JDM, right-hand drive, everything like that. If you want to check out some more pictures and some more info on this truck or any of our other cars or bikes, head on over to jdmcarandmotorcycle.com. Find all of our information there about all of our vehicles, as well as all of our contact information to get in touch with us about getting you into one of these trucks. Thank you for watching this walk around. I'll see you all with the next one. Have a fantastic day.